Ewi adeshima mima obi biara jo edia seda kesie enema wo so Ghana ha all the regions why crowd wa mano nenso no wo hwe via the internet a good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Did it bia edia seda enema wo ni nim say dey day netie and a beautiful wonderful Thursday, but I know say a Friday e will be ni nyina nyame enaye. So we tell a friend, na that friend to us tell another friend. Now so wetimi aka chiro obi no ane wo program no enie. Odo Ahomaso e wa Adom TV, empowerment, education, information, entertainment. Ni nyina ye de be ma. Aha, and now but decide for yourselves. Indeed, the power is mine to say yes or no. The power is mine to either continue or stop, or you take a new path, and it is well with you. And you may it was studios Adom FM, Abba, Abba, Adom TV, Reverend Kondia, I call Marka by and chair, and Tina, easy. The kaftan, a fatan ye, Papa. Reverend Kondia is saying, great. And when you know the one and only businessman on the Nire designer, it's not that they should be a Nire and a Pamano. May come Mr. Nim, the business tycoon. At the same,
I don't be Kuma. Edenya kwenye idea and uncle for shade and no more shade. In fact, when you is na young wish a man in a happy Mother's Day.
Belated, though.
Belated happy Mother's Day. Or Baby will have no worry. Oh, Kunu. Now, so I know no further. It's our money in Ano. You wish you when you are happy the latest Mother's Day.
There's a baby, a potential mother.
That is it.
And when you saw your bar, what yet as fast as you saw. And so, any baba. Now, the HO drama say, show one day. Obi anyone concern him. Kakran and Korean about I said 10% pay, so 1% pay and concern him. No movie crying, yeah, there's something, maybe a quam, baby. Oh, and in so ready, Obi Biana watch as fast as he so a concern in him. But it's up to you to say, Metwaso and I meant twaso. And I may mania at the swimby and was sorry no be cool, Reverend Kondia. Learning to marry for whom to say.
A rather doom, Obia Honye. Learning to marry forever for Michia Onyina, Sambre, Obia, your radio washer, say, Shone Basso. Nyamishramo, say, Moshe program, no, our puffy, one a bad free Miamia who do a bomb paye. Emma One Warrior, the only marriage prayer center in the whole of Africa. Nyame ye Jumakasiye, na adansidia banon so edoso. Na yede nyame ase. Nyame ya domwa July ye 6th anniversary baso de ding. Na yede nyame ase for how far he has brought us. Inshiranka Ewrade na ye srese nyame bekoso na we pagya nansa. Emma awaria sade nyame hihye no yes no nyame nam yensa so atrentre no emma no manyina akoyi yes
binimu no mo
say no but they can say yes no because we all owe responsibilities in a way or another. Obi a wo say no ebi a ne papa bi ne maame bi na ankyere no mabi eni so ankyere no ebi a no sofo bi na ankyere no mabi eni so akyere ebi a pani bi ankyere no mabi eni so ankyere no eti mira du say Mama Zimbi Foundation Odo Ahomaso Learning to Marry Forever ne penifo bebre say ye hunu say ye ma ye ni kọ aware ho ye ni kọ relationship and some ho ne ye kan yiye no afei when we bring the responsibility together na ho no na afei ye nyina ye be ye ma ayeye na medanyame ase wo how far it's going say nipa bebre wo ho a mre bia besen ko onya problem onim baby a won fa wan asem nko but Odo Ahomaso Learning to Marry Forever ne your friend is saying counseling ahodo a ekoso no say no ma nkrofo bebre no ohaw no ensoa won enkuwon bebre eye ya na onim se anya kura no se menya pani bi wo me fie ene ne nde hu nkoma ye wo pani bi wo ho a wetu ne hu esi ho se aware ho nsam nti ene ote ho enti me do bi ase. In fact I'm very grateful. You start here na entesa na edin nyame nim ne na edin pa for someone to have the confidence to come forward but now no nyame adom krofo have bought into it won so e wo ho a wo problem no ye pese wo tie ase se asem bi eni ho a ye de sekan e na etwa ye anoya na ye de ka enti wotu ho anamon a mpanifo se woton wo yare a na wonya anu aduro wotu ho anamon so a emoa bi a e wo ho no ye de baboa ma ayenhira Mama Zimbi Foundation nyame boa me minim say ma menka me ameka nyame boa June because program this me amena so 17th June year 9th Widows Alliance Conference ma ekunafo memme ekunafo a ye wo oman ye mu nyina ye di ehia ebi a wo ma ebe da wo de bra na behwe nyame kan sa bra na behwe fa ho begimu bi na behunu sade nyame enam dwumedie no so ebetimi attach your life wo kuro bi so wo brone bi so na wonnim sa Mama Zimbi Foundation wo ho a bisa ma yenkyerɛw na fa wo ho dom bi na eno bi wo ho a wonnya ne bebi ya age se nyame de fa obi so de ba na wotumi de ho ewuram na wonya so mfaso se ebi a bebi awo no so bi ni a wo betimi aboaboa ekunafo a ewo ho ano na mode ato Mama Zimbi enim na entempa na no omo abeti bi se ye baba show yi na omo yi ebi a yekobiebie ano ne ade won so ye bebiebie ewo bebi amowo no na ayemwa de am bebi na conference na eba so no mesere se wo ye oba se wo ye bema ekunafo nyina ntumri kambra ne ye mesua de no ma bia eya na etwintwan yakwem na yenye ehu adwuma na afi won so awo support bi abetime di abo no ejanka ne nkunafo hwe na Bible se James o se enne nyamesom papa no se wo behwe ejanka ne nwisia enne nyamesom papa no enti wo bebi a to enfound how small it is to anamon na fa beboa wo de opa wo fra Mama Zimbi na nkasa betu obi ema na ba beje na ode aba beboa dwumadie no se sika famu nso a Mama Zimbi de ne mobile money number no betu dwa na ye nyina ye moa na enya kama mo a se wo ye sachet water se wo ye koko se wo ye den because omo ba ye fidi won anopa ewia na enwumre no nyina enti ye fra ne san a wo ye eduane bi se wo betime volunteer mama chips mama nsuo ebi a 10 bucks bi ebi a we and also I mean it will serve a purpose serve ni pa ba kumpa nyame hu de ehun hira ebeba
medase so ebedoso Reverend Kondua ye da se ekunafo da se Ghana mai da se Odo Ahomaso hwefo nya da se sensem nya wabone po ene waka ye say your food ya pa no esefata se ye piano na ono suni piana na ogusu di pia ye se be a won so bete wetimi etu ho anamompa empa nyame adomo a 17th of June anopa no so na it is ebinma badada Trefe Pavilion B free and yiskebia na ye theme ye empowering women for greater achievements ebe free medical screening at your mama perfect hands healthcare services and on by that health screening ye da almost papa adeshimaima na ye de aseda kese na ma Unibank Indomie instant noodles ever pure purified water Joy Daddy Bitters Joy ointment GTP Minata and Daughters porridge services mobile engineering services Calipo Bendita Pharmacy Big Shop Classics Blue Skies fruit drink. Asedi Royal Waste Management, TT Brothers, Danny Deco, Last Hour Catering Services, and of course, Ghana International Trade Fair Center. Adeshimaima, what did the baby say? And Kase Doso. Shre, they won't submit to me a year. Over 3,000 widows never bebo. Over 3,000 widows never beba. Anopa area ye achedi e de bema wo mo eye ntuma afabreye eye mu afabreye eye biscuits afabreye bibi e kama koma bia no ene mu na nhira wo ye be high nkonwa sound just nima bebre wo ho a ye sika eye yes remo breakfast wom enye na pa aduane ewie aduane enye lunch me kwa na afra but me ni se ebeka wakoma na wonso wetimi aye me MTN mobile money no aye 0244261200 0244261200 and essentially me WhatsApp line into wo person ye sure say ebia wo amano ne wo hwe Ghana ha ba bia o so person me ye obia money transfer na bibia wo WhatsApp me a memo the correct idea wo betumi ede aye me damwase papa. But last year went to me and that's the 9th one.
Yeah.
Mr. I was to me o make it an album.
Come last year me by own.
Last year went to me and last 2 years.
Last year I was there. Many Reverend. In fact, it was nice last year because that was my first time. That was my first time.
That was your first time.
That was my first time.
Yeah.
In fact, a broma joining in TSS because na me who say who ni court in moi over Sagrono. Kind which ya say agroni there. But me call me who ye ma me nom ye papa nom enuanum bi na ahosepe woman na obeche CD no. I remember very well about kunafo a
ono sukafo akọ nanim che say one for the san say ndem rifa mu o yeah juma
na maiwa entna inform na mo ye bibi abeton na mo so menyo mano ade ane edi mesere say enye videos nko wa okunu wu na say nko na obi yarambra na mo mmehwe bi because at this time there Saturday me to obi awo
oh
Saturday we
no Thursday obi din say guniti metime wo sana e mi fie
yes it is Saturday there eto obi a na sex so ebo obi a anopa di o enwumre di o ebo obi a ntime nkasa se bi mi kunu wu ya na se me yiri wu ye nti me de me mbebi because yen kind meji ntime sere se obi biara ekwan ni biema obi bi we de ontu ahwe
free na ye ji skakrada
na hwe na faboa na daachi mi obi nim osum kwadu no osum rode no
na osum kwadu adishima yakasa say kama enunti no e wasa yetimi di asda kese e ma global firm e madro tsashi abo esiesie yen e ma ye ginagina ye ho so e ma ye tse ababa we di 16 years 18 years and 20 years we oba no wa wo be 20 15 10 8 ofo so ho abai enu tu kon no so nu kun bede bio o use global firm wa e ma wo sisi wo so ma kono san ba ma ka say ukru bedo no do mo global firm e wo every pharmacy Ghana he nyinara Kumasi nyinara Kofo Edua nyinara Sunyane nyinara baby bia global firm e wo ho dwumadie ne koso me bobo na mesno ama e bia na wo pharmacy bi ana drugstore bi upese utubi ekogum be na mesi nyina be ma me nkoso na me fast that kese emma fly away flies killers and anaju black mosquito coil woman no nam say enye easy emu adru eson e she say bro emma ukata 12 solid hours enya grow na nenkano eye papa bi ema otinya wo ya na eba no anajo insecticide spray so dia a spray ekum every insect kona ben na wo sa anajo insecticide spray akahwa ana wote ne pampa na mo nyina ififi ba na ma wo da na ho kama malaria away we save malaria sikano na dia account business capital no e ma yi ato yi what you say so wo ma ba miensa ena enum na de bia no mo cause of malaria consultation fee kwa faka ho never start di wudwa ye do mo ase papa so o ma so yasene na ya wada na efie de bia no etumi de Odo Ahomaso ewo Adom TV yetimi ede brewo yeda omo ase papa awade mu nsemo dooso sanso na mpratwe ensemo dooso me sure say betena ha obumfu na emo wanije every say ye ma wadwemu bie ye ma wonya ntwase ye de nkranhye ma wo se obetimi aye mentwen obi ansa Odo Ahomaso ni ye nyina ye program e hye ye nkran papa me twa mo akwa basisi a na afa ye traso with that say Medase emo kwaba de ba Odo Ahomaso Adom TV so me sure so I crowd of papa and awusua de Anne Michelle bought some koba me the global film na mesne eba ma because am I here papa in fact the two of the matter the secret of global film they say am I extra tight Emma we are kono kuma se for Accra for wonye mo na mese Fred global film it was 0264 40 39 81 0264 0264 40 39 81 and 0248 18 03 67 Kumasi or Cychrome Global Firm number and a Bama 0244 70 15 74 0205 0205 76 98 77 Sunyani form numbers any Global Firm 0547 79 66 23 0506 12 27 28 call for Dua Global Firm number and a medium mawi a 0557 0557 70 60 92 0549 21 24 33 Global Firm numbers baby benya no ena mede amamwe mo program na asuni in fact Mr. Anin
hello
and Reverend Kondia Mr. Adam say na mama ko abebio but say no and baby lines in term because there are a lot of issues going on and ma be breti abare so mu ne anije won so mo mpranhwem na sisie na doso ya trusting me money be brave so much so say and they keep abusing us. They keep insulting us. And ye couldn't suffer respect and my yen. Woman kai a bread, your more bread. I want to go and pension your couple shra woman. No one sim ebeye kama. No more fee. And I tell the dear, and I won't send fata. When you're that class, baby, I'm a corner. You're the class of women and a cohort. Why is it that? Why the cheating? Why the insulting? Why no appreciation? Romance the remember what has happened to you? Some of you.
Some of us. Kuma question will be say some people have some life kind of thing. We say, they are kind of yampa in some ways. Be many be a chiti on their spouses. In fact, I'm bad as a bear no. A chiti tama abrabonumu. The other side may be a boy. Emma fans or buy a boy and as a beman a boy. Emma Siciano or Mubako, Ababi ye, or ye into a felice, Menso, or Bobechiti, on one other. But let's look at it from this point of view. Beman no train and as a ban no train. Oh, the other person now or supporting up to that stage. No, what was your reaction or your attitude toward the person who was down? Me person can be me use example say be man no na no ho kire no
that's right
and as oba no
and that is more me man so because mo be kire mo ye be boa mo ye be dom ye be leadi
ekwa me kan ba nti be man na no ho kire no nti be man no ho kire no
yeah
oba ne boa na oba ne boa no oba no wonum kasa at that time
obi say after month of love after aboa na wie ne ho abaye kama no say na
me kam de be yon na me kan tama na wa ho kire no because anoma ho no o china ndi sunkun o ja na so a ndi sunkun there are some of the things na be man ne be okay fine no there because me ni be ndenti no o de obo ma pempem kura me yedin na nya me ye me ho adom na me tete me ho a ono so be bibisa it me pese me ka say ye nua ma no nso no si ye kunu ahokire mu amiye mfa ahokire no endidi omatem
Okay. And sometimes a man be attitude.
That is it.
Said the move
yeah,
pay back time.
There was a scenario. There was a friend. This guy, I don't want to mention names.
No names here.
Yeah, the guy. No, chile. Obuano, ebuano, bani same wakakra. Intelligent ebua, but na kasa na eya ebano from obani numuno. Ebu ko money tikakwa fa ka kra. Kasa sika na wemano, but ne ye a ebedi sika nechi. Ene kasa ebedi sika nechi no.
Aban.
Aho chire nti no meden obeji ne sa na je. Nyame adom be ma no konya baby ijinaye.
Yeah.
Ekoma ebusuafo no se tama be ma no chire no. The lady no show true characters to the man.
Yeah.
Guy no yes no hu yenefe ni ne sisi no if your horn or bahana started say or coming down but yes na odo na wo be ma ni mu no na die down. That is it. Oh, it's no most of the time you share the end results no say e buy no ina be ma no ye ni ti no na be ma no eja no but before that no yen share the background.
Okay. Adishima Ugusu share Odo Ahomaso, your lovely program on Adom TV. And then ye bisa say some of our men, whether in relationship or marriage, respect is gone, no romance, nothing. It has turned into insult and there's no appreciation. Majority of them don't even remember that this woman helped me, this lady helped me. Why? But before I go to Reverend Kondria, my for acknowledgement, Kessia Papa, Emma Grocer Ventures, Watunebu at designing me say, come on, I'm a design come share. Confessa come yeah, my next repeat it is my own, and to be that Grocer Ventures, as Papa, then son me say, Mamma no on me in Tadi Ankasa, and yet easy. And bia wedding our call engagement, adoring a year, and you want almost simple and energetic. And superstar, dear, Uncle Shebi, Fred Grocer Ventures, it was 0244 250 420 0244 250 420 Grocer Ventures. And I'm reading numbers. I'm away. Reverend Kondria. One more dark man. Reverend Kondria. I want to ask why. Is it human nature? And appreciation yenny. Ana ayeye ana atiye e marry free
yo medase ne nyina ka ho bi na nipa aye kasa nipa answer do the level ubesum aware no not so many things has gone on in your life.
Yeah.
One of the mistakes we make when we are marrying is that we do not consider the person's beginning.
Okay.
We only consider the person's now and use that to view the person in a certain way.
Okay.
Meanwhile, the person became what he or she is right now based on what had happened from the beginning. The person's upbringing, the person's family, the person's schooling, the sort of friends the person got. Some women in a kabubum nema onipa ye nipa. Metiwe, some kasa, bijne baby, and found one how I disguise myself. Na me kasa. Obinya who me pet. No, we are so. I told them, say, they be so. They be someone your software, and you teacher. O menye teacher and you lawyer. Well, anya kura no obebu bono ma miensa so ade obebu bo nyina nso no hu se ewo ne ehunu anase mekase ne mu no ewo ne ote wo mu a edi picture se menye training bi enti onipa na de ra oye bia no ewo bebia ofiri sapapo sabone o enti nipa wo ware no se obeye appreciative obekura appreciative heart ya efiri bebia yetete ni free ye another sort of environment ya odi enyini ye. I don't know if you get what I mean.
I do. Go ahead.
Se saade no enni ho a we very careful about ya.
Yeah.
Wo be ko be expect say o ne panyina wenyini edu sei. No, so for the Sanka, you should be able to say thank you. You should know how to say thank you. Na papa penny business man to say. Yeah, me da say no can you say. Oh darling, why you there?
Yeah, fancy no.
And kindness. Yeah, fancy no nim. And tell me takers the facts will be your soft doesn't mean so bet me you kunu. I entity as so in your way near no. Obet me your soft for one anointing said dang, but no you kunu. And found in important education when the level of education PhD is do our bo. Say yamfa abrabom tete bi amfa mana. Wo kosoro ba ase. Oni a oni.
Enti me question again say dan ene yen kai ya boafo.
Yes,
and then yen kai wo mom so yen sapeja yen. And then na ye wi ane ayem atantande wo be bo nipa de sani. Edu baby e bia emfaso eba ana bibia. That's the timer nipa ne betene. Na eba so away ni nyina lifetime issue, but to husband and wife Emma bebre soon regrets about makumem, and some are having evil thoughts against their husbands.
Yes, and no na make us say bibia wo baby free nam. This is where it comes from. The onimu ye no.
Yeah.
And fa hona nia wo be ye no.
Okay.
Obe appreciate you. But the onimu ye no. It will be difficult. Afi obi so ho a na ne experiences in life said they walk on at ye it's me my refree but at ye no my refree ma onipa bia edum pempen so bi wa brabo mu a eno ma bia nko yi ama no for example obi ofri him say edum pempen so bi na sika kakra bi di ni nsem a e wo ne nusu bante and me who and me said that is what you
that's where you're coming from.
That is where you are coming from. And said you would do sick hair, no me who is a one case be free no near say ba no because who be that obi a ono so free sika mbe hunu hia e wo de ono so o pikete ne hu wo ehia ho fa enti onipa no ebi a wo bo modern sa wo bua no but me fan say example me mai say o free sika we di dollars we di pounds
tishin so na
na wa ba be ware me hia ni me see this ne kura e branch e pie wo baby a adenanam na nipa na ba me force say me yere na me ye de esa me ye at the end of the day no dia me ye no endu dollar mpo na ekodu pounds
enti wani nso
enti onhunu say me ye bi because the foundation no enye see the foundation well just say adeno entire
and synchronize
well ekoba ne sana that is why sa wo ware a you say bisa hwe wo ho say so we metimi manage anase mentimi manage dodo na no we don't look at these things na yakwa wura ware mu na afei wo be se nipa no bebia yentimi manage nko no and also no all expect I should have this but eni ho afei edumbre bia ebi mo one now for some the sort of friends they build around them even when they are married bebre warrior one jin tumpo sa waware they still live their life as if they are singles until now for one nam no and there was this local movie be by sister Kumasi Yonko or Granyonko so I don't remember actually
now
sa as someone who say and now for do one year you know who kuno bibi no anasa na yere aboa no kra no oh na we ye den we dey say ye you see and uben sa sansam no di nipa na dwemu a they will downplay on the efforts you are making in their life.
Okay.
In terms of appreciation, no,
Emma. Yo, adishima Emma uguso share Odo Ahomaso Adom TV yakasa. Ubetimi akọ me Instagram page. Na our contribution bia. Ewon koma ebo bohua. Wetimi ede amambo ho making kama. Ana bibi di winya. Bibi Jojo. Bibi akọ ekodanda. Platform bia ni ho te se Odo Ahomaso. Ye bia line se no. Emma wutimi ka Emma will come a Joe. What's to make her Emma the show? What's to make her Bobinsu Suya, dear Frimo? What's to make your contribution back in any other form? Emma, ye, and until come Instagram, they will comment say by making kind. Let me be a phone lines, you know, Eddie and Mawa and a sa. Now, I'm sweating me a friend. What can they do in ya? They make half our dear we said a man may be no more appreciative and Pachimo acquire and sembe brain no. Or the way. Mawa needs in there. And it is ya, and the 18th of May 2017, the year of our Lord. What does what to her? Emi eti also. What does what to her? Chain will be sorry waka. So who could that na de action? Me pacho. Sorry na ye bribi. Na me sabet me afre. Na what you want drink shre? Any de edu nya, any de jojo no. Obe fre e wo 0302 211-701 up to 704. Gifty. Me ma kwaba di ba Odo Ahomaso. Hello, Gifty.
Hello.
Me da say. Now, Gifty, who frefi Ivan?
Especially not Legon.
Not Legon. All right, Gifty, it's you.
Mama, I think Diana. My relationship, I think Diana. The person is doing.
It's you, Kasa.
Many Bernard now for some time now. Like I say, me be a sister. My friend now, on Miss Tommy. And like, let me just go and say, then I'm my think I might be on time. And I'll catch one day your friend and I'll send the egg and your man. The ex girlfriend and your money, is like, he's confused. He doesn't know what to do. But I check on the phone about it. I say on about the pregnancy. And I'll say, like, on pay on February, you guy into me no payment. But the girl being pregnant for him, no, I still think maybe my parents the person I'm an hour girl. But also say that there is no way he's going to do that. Let me be so say, what should I do in this case?
Okay, Gifty. When they were for how many months and Sana, all conscious and ex, a friend is she's pregnant for him. For how many months and more relationship anymore?
Oh, Mama, it's close to a year now.
Oh, within a year, ni?
Yes, but I think we need my dream of attempting egg and mom.
That is now on the excellence.
Also, no, only me, but the whole time, get on the strand one baby. And something happened.
Oh, that down.
Them and no, as it stands now, and the pregnancy in India.
Gift, yeah. Oh, that down. Oh, so they were relationship for just a year now. Baby, or baby, none for 40 baby. I don't know what when I be trained was girlie, ne nentu, ne to, ne no for, ne casa, me fair. My main copeno, no, I pay down so open here. And I would dick a crack on my name. Oh, Yano. Well, and I was some dick a crack on my name. And now I'm foul, so I found with you.
I catch
Aha. Me de, so I can't quit you, Cacra. Oh, when I make a say, Bear must me pewasem, me pew, me waro, yan for. And me stamposo with love making. That love making no any guarantee said that guy is going to marry you. So, be the end effect, and within a month, and offer our yache, and on no other catch that will say, the ex-girlfriend, a friend, no, I can't say I'm pregnant for you, and on why I confused, and with me a bone, I can't know, and say, so no person woman I dream and answer day. Gifty, I know you are watching and listening, and see, boyfriend person I'm not dream. Gifty. If I were you, I would just thank my maker, my God, and say, Father, give me strength. You can't menti. Catch a song called no call any ex-girlfriend, no. Now what dear?
Were you sorry?
I get the ex crowd. Excuse.
That's all. We're using a real corner girl. That's all. Don't go forward. Next time, no one.
Now, the me Yana Cross one says some guys are doing the double do now. They don't even protect or protecting no one. And on it, Saga, on him. I bet catch your son ex. So go check yourself and leave that relationship now. I always give the lions command, the lioness command. Say you need to leave that relationship now. You either block him and tell him now the relationship it's over. Isaac, me makwaba the Odo Ahomaso. Men worry, my resource persons are here, my able resource persons are here. But right now, it's one-on-one with you. Hello, Isaac. Hi, Ike. Can I flip in?
But you're very thinking.
Saying, Chi, what to say?
Yami Adom.
Hey, Saint-Chi Royal Hotel. Okay. Yetio Ike.
Abajo me fa yobi. Ana.
O fa na fa.
Na because na mami.
O fa we he.
Me fa no next town.
The next town. Now we driver home.
Bacho Dabi.
Now so yen den.
Me am a student.
Woni obi e twempna. Yes sir.
Me no fa ba.
Kasa.
Me no na I started so
Mama, telephone sorry. My TV volume nemra from Pacho. Isaac. My television volume no emra from. On TMU. My television volume nemra from Mason. Great. Adeshima Miss Remo. Obi bia obe frɛ TV no my volume nemra from. Okay, Isaac Kasa.
I am a
yeah.
Oh, papa bem.
Tie no ho TV no.
Men tie ho TV no so. Okay, Salifu, salam alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
To ya yi na go day. Na Salifu frefi fa.
I'm frefi Tantra Hills.
Tantra Hills hey ya. All right. Yetio Salifu.
Yeah, kind of saying. I think change my job now on say say me review out now more spending am being me.
Yetio kasa. Sorry.
Okay.
Yetio kasa.
Me ne obabi ho. Like me no ho be 4 years ni.
Okay.
Yeah. But Nancy na nyin sen be mu. See, I say nyin sen be mu. I say na nyama nko yi ma me ni ade. The nyama be very so tight. Very very tight. Ma me ade. But so ba ne busia for no. I so mo say na nyama be tight na me no. Asena eni asesa o ma start nyama bi wo no. And then don't change. I said, "Oba ne be wo ye." Or I think 25th of March when I wo ye. Say, mommy, 25th of March when I wo ye. Mommy,
March we are.
March we yeah, March we are.
They don't want any air train plano. Ah, you say bebe mono.
Bebe mono.
On a wo March.
Oh my, oh March.
Okay.
That was 25th of March.
Yo.
You see. I say almost hospital, you know, very tight, mommy.
Okay.
So I can make you call you almost hospital. And skin you.
Okay.
So I just have to struggle hard. Say, the American scam, call you hospital. And I am your Dominion scam, call you hospital.
Okay, good.
Okay, this is my first time I met you. I said, me, what that? Me, anything about like.
Oh, Papa, can't be answered. Oh, Mammy, and can't be answered.
Oh, yeah. Mama explaining, I'm going to be answering, Chairman.
Yo, Casa.
I say, Obana Baffin and Obana Mammy, or Mammy Friends, too. Obana wanted here. I will say ye a funny pea. I'm so okay. Near the minimum sign of my money team, Mabon Mamia money, Abon Papa money.
Yeah.
Me who they bear. And not so okay. And see, the last week I buy and my mammy is a woman, so the band is Sam so, ma. Can you see about my now track? I'm so okay. I don't want me 2 weeks. It means me pet member one home. I mean, you can buy in your funny pea.
Oh, both scan amount. Sebwa with such an amount and I organic
like organic cake. Until later on, no friend make them so. That didn't tell the or be some friend or so almost so. Not so for number, no be so me share and ya kwani pie.
Okay.
I'm to the study myself, but me bon mama more money and papa more money answer.
Okay.
Not okay what say. Until I think or catch me Thursday and Saturday, Friday and me go see you share and sound for no years. Let me back me back you are. And Saturday and upon I'm making so 6 o'clock. And maybe you are
yeah.
And that's a wage market. My brain to me from that I can bear 6 more. And I may ban me 4 ban me 4 ban 1,000 times.
One
family call. After me for no casting. But I didn't understand. And so when me rush up and me call mommy or and me confirm mommy so. On my own time now so. And you do honor. Na akwano abonten. Ya me nukumi mu hwe me. Na adna akwano abonten a me ni mu hwe. Se man kasa ma me ni efi. Ana o ma me ne ma ya kunja. E ma ma me ma kunja se. Ya ntana se. Ma me ni di na no a. E kana say ye you na na ne pio. To na me yim hwe am say What's the name? You want to be? And I say me I don't like my mood sign and me pick up on thing. I'm go free because for I saw a man on this thing. I'm just so baba. Nyama bi kema nyo ka me ntia se. Me no ba o say me na woni ada di. But here kwani pi no. Eh right thing say here kwani pi ya. That was say be man ni wa okay no no. Enye nsa. The be man ni okra. I was say be man ni busia for and the be man
bibi ho. Yeah.
And say okay I'm so okay. And I'm kind of Mr. Freddy friend. And at the same time, I'm nipa na kase my friend Papa.
Okay.
And Papa say no. Yeah, nyane sa. So my sad e ya kwani pi dia. Me forget. I'm no. Make me forget it. And this and kamamba fi ho a. None of them living like obie no friend me. Mamba fi ho and say me nim say ye ya kwani pi.
But so kase mo kan say ma me ni kire o so mbe na anopa enti brantem. So at least they informed you.
They involved, thank you very much. They involved me say membra anopa.
Yeah.
Now as Mamia Oya Bajimba Awanyansa.
This is wrong. Wait. No insult on Odo Ahomaso.
Oh, yeah,
hold it, brother.
Okay.
Maybe I was so reframe your statement. Because the Mamia Oya Bajimba is an insult.
Okay, sorry for that.
Yeah. Okay, so you have to apologize.
Okay, I apologize for that.
Thank you.
See, as Mamia Onum say bia on mene oba awo. Mene oba awo there. Then I will say I was so oh, ye baby ya kwani pie there. I was say oh friend. I find out na boy in bedu ye. Na sini. Na ka mama me like you should even call me say find out so why you not say me why pani ada bi. Then mo say no me ba na say me ba. Na wo ma me no want me am friend, want me amma oba no am friend me. Say me wo hin, no mo me ya kwani pie without me knowing you say like mo ya kwani pie. What does it mean?
Me ba cho o kan say onye sika on beto akola ni din anamo yi na pie no what me discuss koy. What is kakoy?
My first car, Obana is kind of coy.
One of the man.
Obana de 100 Ghana. Just also on years on Fanto oil, no more for you, and peak about a can see the match.
Ah, now you want call how long now?
Now, friend, we how many?
Why did that's only 1 month ago.
No month spend we about 2 weeks.
Ah, yeah, won the March.
March on the 25th of March.
And March, April, May.
March, April, May.
Oh, that's
about 1 month.
At least 1 month.
After 1 month. It's still man tears my many to me, yes, I know. So I didn't understand the extra margin say. And the woman, you know, what number will you get a pay without sending me the motion? I will send me the motion, and I'm so much into my baby.
Because unim hoshi. Oh my
minimum hoshi.
Yes. Eti nyabotre. Ento kona hokon wa obelusu. Nyabotre. Obi ba woni na fa yefunu. Minim said e woni ne fa yefunu mpo no. Wuko da ho adi ekwabi aba okokoko. Se wa okay nyinsan ye me. Minim so ko yesa ne wo yesa ne mani nyina.
Thank you very much. Ohono manyesa.
Good. And right now you don't have any power, you don't have any authority because what mean cause stampo so ni bebia. Me ponka o keka kono. Come for so can say ebia ye na kwani pe oni ebia na ebe ma bi na ne nyema na bibisa. Me pa what ma say. Baba nka bibia sa nti we no enye won ko awoko. Bibi ona ofo sa won tiase a. Luckily, o parents e wo ho. Dwane to homo no mo so mo nko na de wo ho no mo nko ye. Na nya nyinsen a o kapre o dama nko ye. Na afei o ba be ko sa no da bi. Me ba what ma say.
Yeah, but me to me no, mom, yeah, me say. What I want to understand is that to me, the amazing teacher me say there's something going on. A busalam bese on mate afia.
And I say, if you want to know all that now, let your parent lead you. Just be cool.
We did it.
And I'm saying,
we did it. We did it. But mommy, friend, me auntie be, actually, say me auntie no. On TRC, so much me, I am certain that there's something going on. See, mainly the uncle or man, or banner mammy ho. No, about the mammy, and the main reason why here, only ye are quite pia. Meaning, only ye are quite pia. Now, so for bang and the be a quite pia, so for 90 minutes, say, I want to yin a piano, Nani papa wa him.
And where to sign a mono?
Me to sign a mono, but me and mammy good answer.
Won't or say, what do you answer the coin?
Minimi answer any mammy and a sackboy, any offer.
Abotre edi ansam na oba no maame ka kire mo.
Oba no e maame no e kire say. Oba no no me maame amba ho na me papa amba ho ye na say ni kasa bebe. Instead of like on obe man straight answer no. On e Daniel say na me tell ni say ma me di ka cho say de ntem maame mba ho no say me maame yare ni na yare. Ama me wo perform kwa me fan akotakwa.
Say no tio. Say you catch us akola no. Girl no I will say okay say hey young man abofra na nya wo ba what will you do?
To be honest with you, I have nothing doing.
So easy.
I'll just back off.
So easy. All right? Easy.
Yeah, just back off.
Yes, so just easy for now. You see, giving birth it is not easy. Money girl ni na mo anya self-discipline. Waho,
Thank you very much.
No parents ko so anko. Did your parents go there?
Sure, they went there. They were there. But
Emma no pregnant no.
Emma pregnant no. Mama na o yare. Into no
no. O mama yare a, o mama nua ni ho. O papa wa he.
Papa so no we within that time no we year mo 20 amba.
O auntie ni so girlfriend be na we
for the 9 months no.
But the pa ultimate be share na Mrs. Tapeni and it me ba ho.
Within the 9 months.
Within the 9 months, yeah.
Okay, enti em na onye mo no. Now, o share no money continental those things.
Make sure no I did everything.
Enti u de make an I agree. Me who how emotional you are, but you see ebufuo, ubuefu na to aboba enko. Me pa what you say. Enti no nya abotre na man panifuo eniwanim. Se nyame adom. Papa tu kwan waba. O ma me nyame adom. Ni na ne yakra say aye okay.
No ato no yeah.
Amen. Enti mamuni anim na afa ye nhwe wate abotre. That is why I say Odo bi veranda na so banwe obanye adwe ensem bebre. How old are you now, boy?
I'm 27.
How old are you? 27.
Yeah.
Girl no so di fia.
Oh no, on the same 27.
The same 27. Okay.
Yeah.
Enye hwe ebeye abotre ate.
Oh, penene ya.
Ba wa no de, so ba wa no.
O da bi intimacy sir.
Adena wa no. Say why you adwen o. Say so accusation be dey amaga no. Small who dey make no. Say so accusation be dey amano. What would dem kan here no? Ebi no. Na interestingly, cause I trust obenya ene manyem ene my say ene manyem ene my say. Eh ensem bebre o. If I'm meaning some ene sampa calls. So let's hold on with the calls now.
Because let me first say the last comment no. Ama wabo ade ne po. Because wabo ni trimu po. On the go bisa kwa na kaso ge ne me ware no. But ne ye na ekoso no. Ye hwe de awofo ne beye. Na nka ne a different thing. But how can you say?
Okay, if you be jina so ache. Mami fe Afia then we'll hold on with the calls. Hello Afia.
Hello, madam. Good evening.
Good evening, sweetheart. Now for Afia.
Actually, Frefi Praso.
Praso. Chifu Praso. My goodness. Yo. Medasi etio.
Yo, mpacho me ni dimu program no pa.
Yeda mwase.
Yo. Na mpacho me o problem bi na manshi ya ho. Na se me wa konfu. That me bi koso.
Yo, yetio kasa.
Nyama bi koso ma wari mo anhye ya me se me wa konfu.
Me ba cho kasa.
Nyama bi koso ma wari mu. Nyama bi koso. Manshi ya bi na me hye me ho akonfu.
Kasa.
Hello.
Me ba cho kasa yetio.
Me pa che se nyama bi koso na ha me pa eni se ni ku aware ye na yekotina ebusiefie na mimi wo bebe sifu no be ware me koe no we crash for the me ko ho no kuni nyame ni me sorry a se dia an opportunity to masi ni kisi ni ku tia na masi abese dem wo bibia wasem ka chene bano in fact it's me because I'm not meaning because me ku dem dia kwan se omu se o yema se ni kwan se o wura ho ni akoshe ho ni we pie
asoba na se asoba ma
asoba
okay ukunu maame
ni ku maame
okay
so wa masem kwa oka Nti me ka me kun se e ho no me ntina bio because me bi a me hu no me nye ho saa.
Yeah, bensa.
Na oko high dan ma me.
Eh.
E wo kuro. Nti oko high dan ma me no. Ma me no bia no aba me so. Me free ho no na me nchi.
Maybe oh sister. Sister Pacho mama eyi kakra. Be ma ne ko high dan ma wo no. Na wo ni na akotu akotena ho. Ana wo kwa na akotena ho.
Me nkwa na me kotena ho.
Sa.
It's no o fi ekura ba. O tibia ni nua no mo ne kasa. O si o mi kura me kosisia me kwa no. I'm saying say, me no pese me ni mwa na tsna. It's ma me bibia o kase tuna mi tu wo no na ne nche ho na ade na be ma no so. Tamo pe no mo abekuru ni ade na da ko me ka chense. Tene mi hu na nya ade a o pese se betina community na sisa me niama na ma betina kurase no si ai me ya edan yen samfa mane wura na me betina kurase na si iti wo akudro pa na wo kasa yeni wonu ma me na be ware sisi ano ubu ma me ni tusu ba ku dia be ware no esa se etete me ni no ware me se be ya Bible say obani be ma Warrior, no, you have number. This is some now.
Me bacho wo. Anyem bia se waso ba no ebe hye ne ba ba ma no ho. No mo bon komo na okọ a. Eye a wokunu ne yes sana.
Ni ye to the bia ni et mi se sakakra.
Omudi nkomo che.
Omudi nkomo che. Akwahye wa omudi nkomo che.
Nti ni bisana no se osudaye bi na no kwakoka kire no
maame ni so osudaye
so kwakoka kire ne ba no
na ne ba no bisana daye ko wa bisa wokunu no daye ko okun adi mfi ahen
me pato 44
na wo so adi mfi ahen
me fi no 44
wo ma ahen
yo ma mi
okun wo ma ahen
me pacho me kun be mana me wari me kan no ja me
Debi
ono be wari me
anti de oba wari wu sesi a ne maame de bia na be hye de ona na wo mienu no
me pacho debi me ne nwori
woni ne nwori
but fine
I see enti wonyi ni se bia ne maame ni stro say maame o me dade oba on wu ye se on wari pe na maame hye ase ba ho mudi mfi ahen e wo fi ansa na waso ba hye ase so oba ne nchen
family house.
Me pacho the actually say o worry me no ye kwotena ebuse fie no
okay
kenya na subano e na me kache be ma na say enya bia metunya tena ko bio na semya nyama na se kono makoma mpe
enti wo tu fie how many months ni
me pacho be say 1 year
I see insemu sisi bo baby o
where the father-in-law
na ukunu papa we
ni kun papa ewu
oh sorry na ukunu no onua ma wo ho
mpacho onua ma wo ho
omo no what to say
omo limited I be limited I be so many I said I yi papa bia
na nka so no we ni ntem
na won so ne waso ba no muntem te say ukunu ma me muntem te say
muntem ye fine
de nyakukudro dako yesa agro ne kasa dia ya agro ma na I mean we call me sama na so ba ne said because of one ko bi se ne because say so so me come ba be ma ho ana ma ni mo nkomo ana enti wo baby no asa kan say wo ka che okunu so on choose between wo and the mama e dey na okunu ka che o
wan ka hia nkire me
ebe si no kan nkire
oni pe ne ba be ma na
baby
na
ono
pen be ma wo ne mani ntemana
mba joje
ono pe ukun pe ne be ma ne ma me wo na na
ne pa cho de bi omo ye mienu
e be ma mienu
mba jan
ba ko no wen fa
ba ko no one ne wo krum wa
enti u ma me ko de hon so sa ne ma me ne kosra ne ba be ma ba ko no so sa
de bi no do nya ne sa
ono wa ware
ono mpacho no afi na wa ware but senior oye ne no sa no o de ye o baba ko no se
Okay.
Hey. Okay, ate. Say when need us eji aware no.
Me net brokra na menom.
Enye se obekun ukun fi atas pasa so wa ha o ma no. Enye we asema ka se be ma bro. Yifu agi we nya de a. We pa cho. Wo sra na wusu.
Baby.
Wo sra na wusu.
She's crying.
Oh, mpacho mi su.
Mensu tie. Be ba kun oja olukun ho.
Me mpacho de.
Be ma ba kun na oja e wo no. Ukun ho ana.
Me mpacho de.
Na we na abekun.
Nukru no na.
Mpacho de.
Ana one won na ho.
Oh, mama, kese ono oni bega no romance no to share with.
There's something that's so. Ah, what do I so bad and take near my so? Emra, as some papa who abeka. And take Ben Boy and come on. Everything about ever call high, dama, I will call share a honor. At the same, obedi with Diane, and send you Kawana. And I will knew what Diane is for me.
Oh, dinner Diane. Oh, didn't come so. But Mama, one thing is a senior Subano El Cosano, and not a man in you.
Subano, na mamma, and then about every day, and then I will name you.
The mean to
Debbie, we are about you. Woman or woman, we are man, member.
A member.
Obama Bakun or Babakun. Or don't know, man, son, my miss was out on one in Bano. Enti me slow. Well, sometimes eti awade ase. Na ye mpese ye kun no mo ma menom ebe slow no ne obon koma. Adenti na oba bi eti awade ase. Na aso baba. Eye ni kun ma me ba no ne baba ma bon koma na ye start shaking. Why should you shake? Aso ya.
Mama no nya ntokwa.
Mama me pa cho. Enye sa kese you like to baako. Almost every morning, or Baba, I be catching in the benefit. But so die no person was trying to say, sorry, important. Me now for present, maybe go prep. No, be said them, mama.
Now say what 12 if you ho. And she say no no ya how biom. And she say I would daddy biom.
Usuru pa wo mama wo wase no ho so oba ukunu ho ene den usuru pa de. What's your fear?
Menopause baby onu so du ama.
44 ene mama
our point is 1%.
Okay. Usuru pa ene den e fa sa asem no.
The way I was saying me you know.
Ujiri so ni wo bi e.
E wona me tu you know. Bibia wo dia ya sama oka. Won say Bema na behind Diana me say, Mammy Tina ebusi ho.
Many about him, baby. So way no. And yet it's good, sir. One friend near Boncomo, but I think, sir, my new busu yanko kasamo. No one approach him, mammy, no. In another way, near Missa Bia, baby or ha woo, and on where who bibi. Na ebusiano e wo ebusiano.
E de ebusiama so baba.
Na
e de ebusiama so baba. Ono ewure na seso ote ne ho asese maame no one na nya ntokwa
maame
kasa one na nya
me ba jo so ni hwi kan bie mu a en de fa so e na ana wo pese wo kan bibi kan
Bacho no ani me problem.
Many want to come on.
Yo.
Na tena muka se oba bi wo ho a oboa me ku na odu pempensuo bia na be ma no aye yi no.
Yeah.
Kese me ton ade na me ku oba na osi mame 50 Ghana, mame 10 Ghana. O tem bia kese me want the crowd this kind e bi ho ogia. O fa nya the papo.
Enu ni nsem na wasa wo kan no. Ne ja wa so ba na sem. E se wukunu odo ka he. Wukunu odo wo ka he.
Mama, baby.
Odo wo ka he.
Mama, me report e don.
Ento o to ade na okun ba ja wo ntronto ho.
Mama, just wo dia wo mfama.
Me say odi bebo on famo for bookkeeping sake. So bon sadi ame ye me mfaso ana ese me capital kwa be di mi kun ho no e wo so utimi tro to ho ana utimi tro ho fear na pro aha enti obana ma give 50 Ghana cedis na date ye 18th na wa 50 Ghana cedis or try 19th enti no se wa baji dodo na wontua no meme ka kire Odo Ahomaso say wo ba no so pesike bia o se me mfa ma dodo na waje no wontua
because me kai etina nko o se me fiscal to one sana ko
na ada onya adwuma
oh mama wo ye adwuma se nyina ye do
na se
odo o ye yiwi on won ka se oh say na yenya say won ka ja
Muyefo.
I say I'm sorry, but I reho. In fact, it's a very serious issue.
A very serious issue. There's real problem there.
I think it's suspect something.
Anna, who feel so work of famp maybe.
Baby, mama.
Now, who on plan on John. Apart from you, know.
I know they mean to me, I said, Mama, dear. Say,
wo wa kuma so ade any day. Say dem pa na de wa kuma so.
Oh, say bia, me no agenda ye baako. Eno ni makuma so ade. Say bia, oh, ene oba betina se project we na tese ye. Ye ne den. Mama, oni bibi sa.
Mate. In fact, advice kakra me ma and I'm a resource person, so I mean, you make a show, dear. But for me, Kakana, what kind of my boy, no, my tear film, my son, Sonny, I think, sir, ye was so bano as some if you are dream. Now, fate tackle, won't quality, dear, and yes, I behind you. Now, when you crew, no, dear, and fan she, no, yen fan she. But what they make auntie, I say, oh, for so, turn a woman, I won't pa, and was so friend one penny for him. Now, Monsieur, some no, and money come, why? But someone always every day in the no so jaya cry and they so. Aye, Berman also iska and your bar. Yes, I will see a bomb once a while, but what the audio just said every day iska on Franco yard the pa so they compare Mao, so the woman so says cigarette and all the chill near all the yeno, only nine nebehuno. Now, woman, how near bow at the arsenal. What a show, Mama won't show. And I was some maniska. And I was some maniska. Why on what dear?
That's why.
Hey, sister. Am I in your so one bone zoo? One so, I say. Me that's it.
So, maybe I see you.
Hey, but this issue
or him as some way. Or the mamino asemno. Afano high na I don't know by a canopy akata as some ankasa air coswa worry no muso. You know, me pesa otia say, and maybe mukra Susan Combenia da won ensenom and the one by your fine, but ben won't bet anyone bedding common po. And that's at least, I mean, when Umbenia say, penny be ever one chain on the 1 year troubles.
Yeah,
we or my troubles, and then you will hawk round or banner, debia what better till. But on one aba, and what ban was so me wo command the person me body di almost every morning. You know, before you came in there, no, on the banner a long relationship.
Yeah.
Only God knows the reason why. Almost what that relationship. I have that relationship with my old lady.
Yeah.
You know, my old lady is with me.
Yeah.
You know, Bibinia. And found so Oba with you, or you're comfortable speaking to me than Oba.
Yes.
From your
Oba be sound first.
Yes. Oba be sound first. Because only in and or you're comfortable with me.
Reverend, I can know it have its own dimensions.
Yes.
Me so some time ago I was living in a family house. But me no, that wasn't comfortable to talk to my mother. I guess I'm not comfortable. But we create an environment we say. Minim mame e bon komo bodrea me twi me yere fi me ho but me comfortable say me yere ne me mame mo e bedi nkomo because me yere mame ne me di nkomo me mbo me yere amane but say me yere ene me mame di nkomo dia oba be ka say ne mame ko nkra oh say na mame say no
to get more information
from there because my mama me yere that opportunity no na mi mo me ni me mama ni bon komo a nkomo me ni mama bedu no me mama bo me yira mane
yes
but say me yiri any mama di nkomo a whatever the nkomo is no obeba abebo anzo mi kwa no Uma miss A B C D. Inti yenye no.
That is also another
dimension.
But
the
lady, me person man achine ho ase say. Like Reverend Nekan, there are 2 ways of killing a cat.
One no, there are so many ways of so many ways of killing a cat.
It's one case na we say mama no e create we say no. You can also go closer to the woman. The woman can just say mama no so die. Also somehow no, you can also get closer to the woman. Just create a relationship with the woman and see say that relationship no because odo no say kind odo no e ni kola brem na de yin because on wo no e ne ba na say bi so ni kun so ewu nti no one particular no ne ye den enya ni nkomodie true bi iti be say sa adwen na e wo tru mu say ebu ho kra wan hwe ye krobe susu bi susu wo beto ni krobe wan hwe ko kwate papa ne mama ne kro ne ba ne kra ye den eda wan hwe ya ebedu baby sa no hwe sa asem bi na obekọ iti me sere say oma ne akoma no embra form na romance ne be ma na ngasa no bi okwan ma no empe bu
but on checking romance no so ne ehwe because on not checking itself.
Yeah.
No who said to say Anna. I'm sure maybe both of them need education.
You see, education ehia wo muntempa.
Yeah, two no nyina.
Omu two no nyina. They na make their question say. These people have a long lasting relationship. Mother son. Etosubio bema owo 44. Ne mame obviously watra menopause.
Oh, yeah.
Obi nso ne menopause no ewo obia ne se de menopause ye no. Ebi ono nso ne menopausal stage eno no. Se obaye ebi kura na before no ntesa. But at this stage, you know, someone to communicate so easily with. Wo, no matter how you will be welcomed in the house, you know, until a long period of time, necessarily one kasa will never build a relationship. You know?
Yeah.
It will be difficult for her to accept you as a family. You are still seen as a guest. It will take some time before the woman feel comfortable with you. And to the na make no and say, "Mama no, as I say, ne ntema no obey. You shouldn't get so worried. Say you shouldn't get so worried about, but rather think of building a relationship with the woman as your mother, whether your mother is alive or not. Ebi wonso betu maami ehu. Ebi na o kasa wonso ne kasa mu no ka bibi se ofiri fie ho no ko ye no kra no maami no kra san echesi ne se adan ne we firi fie ho okoye kro onye obi ni ni nkomo. When would they the woman wants someone to talk to. I mean, this is a lively situation.
Oh, but I won't say ebusuan fie na mote. Enti maame ne de, and I don't think that she's the only one she wants to talk to. Say ne ma wo ho, ni nua no ho, ebusuan fie ebusuan ni bi wo ho. Enti no, but
enti me hu feeling bad say. Man oba yire no we free fie ho.
So how is she approaching it?
Yes.
Maybe any approach, you know. And disturb no.
Yes.
Once I can say was said they when you communicate you. Me tell me stressa. They was you communicate you na ko ya some for. And communication is the key. But as you watching and who say, "Ebi mama nanyi, enti so ne kasa ya na wahwe."
Sure.
And yes, I be hard.
No said they obesi a woni ne mpa no e be relate, e be ye kama. Ebi a ma to say ebi anopa bi a waba all person ne be di nkomo ma ena de eyi miwura wada o abra pa anti ye ni nkomo na wa wo de nkomo bi wo de ewururu na ebi wo ho a wo be hunu na nipa no I mean or draw so close to you wo be twe sa no but someone ka say shisha ho a
Reverend Kondua minima so baby a wo ba ewura ma hwe na me ba be ma no we Unya can say one simple so with them, na mama na to no ho. Where wo that hard mother-in-law so I wo. Oh mama na want to say, Era me say ye unya me komodifo. No aka you straight.
Yes, make us say ni nyina ni the way we strategic how to go about some of these things. Oh, it make us say the problem ni say mama no anopa bia ni da ya waso no wo body banana ne. I don't want any how kokuni ho. Oh, but the fact of the matter is, the enyewo adusia no, you be adusia.
Yo.
But the fact ni say, on share a kwanya say was had na mama ne be dem ho no ma one ne ba no e be kan da e ho asem no say ono say ni dem mu bi nti de me sisi mpa so omo ntra ho no mo de won kam asem omo kasa obetumi ayi drop owia akachoku say oh ni mo me da ye nka oye ni say ya and I feel say e be say wo de no ukun di kankan ukun no mama ne ba another time then ko be catch him kra adwa ka say I suspect say e be bibi say e be dey pa mama ne be say wo you are getting involved in the interest of the reactions wo say now e be do be a obe move from the bano to oba no
okay
because in man you they can more discuss common things than there.
Yes, but it will take a little bit of a time.
And that's what I'm saying.
With the
no, that's what I'm telling her. There's a strategy she would have to adapt.
Yes, she would have to adapt
to enter into the system.
Good. Now I have said no. And as I say, Obano from the beginning no. Any even now no. Who has to say this shouldn't be my problem. Ye person Obano hunu ye ontias ye emfa. And no kwanya and so who said this shouldn't be my problem.
What
yes, as I said, me taking the cool. Name moment fun as a mammy. In the doom pempen so or kasa. Mayan day.
Okay.
So let me just live with them. And then it would take a little bit of a time. Let me try to get closer to the woman.
Yeah.
And she would also be cool with it. It's a harmless situation.
Yeah. And I make him. All right, before that, no, maybe. Mami ko mi Instagram page I mean kenkan the adofonom so e dia ba Black Boy 2011 say I wish you will invite me on your show one day. My name is Prince. Hi Prince. Anytime you're ready, just send me an Instagram message and I'll be on you. Yeah, Donko said you looking great. Mama, it's good to share what is hurting us. We don't need to keep them. Roger from Obuasi, the Golden City. Hey, Obuasi for no.
Hey, Obuasi for. Yame bua mande me badun kono.
Yo. Swansea, why do some women choose money and wealth over their happiness in marriage? Naked we came and naked may we return to our Creator. Correct. For 1,000 points. Swansea. Love, sir. But it's not like I'm English. Hey, when you say I'm watching you actually. May that say.
It's not in English.
Matthias says, hi, mommy. Good evening. I feel so excited when I'm watching you. I'm watching you live from Nigeria. Hey, my brothers and sisters from Nigeria. How are you? Thank you so much. I love you more. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Okay. You're looking good, mommy. Please help me. Help me greet one and only one, Augustina Aqua at Mankasim. Tell her I love her so much. Meda say. Matthias, I'm sure that in Nigeria you are being disciplined. All right? Okay. Eddie gift, sir. Mama, today, dear, your heel, your dressing. Thanks. Thanks for all this acknowledgement. Michael said, you look pretty, mama. May that say. Leonard said, may this day of your beauty add more beauty to your already beautiful life. Bless you, original mama. Hey, there's a what dear. Anyway, I'm so grateful to all of you. Yeah. But this issue is so. Yeah. What do you have to say? Go ahead, Reverend.
Issue, no.
Yeah.
Salifu issue, no.
Salifu issue, no. Me pese Salifu te ase play.
Yeah.
I'm looking at this from a deeper angle. One muscle. There is a coronation of Islam Christian here. And one febina Emma won kuma asori bebre no ejina say religion.
Yeah.
Menyi ni say your friend is saying Islam peni bi ena ye ya anka febi nka be ye won ya bebre. Un say empo mention ya ko mention say was a won koto oil. That will find ya ho adwuma. But whatever be the case, me pese o ka no koma to ne yem ono na ebusu ni nyina nka won koma to
important number 1
yes every say ewiase whether Islam or Christian we are all bound to make mistakes.
But he never mentioned he's a Muslim. Who say, "Obo na me na me kan salam alaikum no Jesu." Etemna yeah.
Yes.
O say, also fair malam in a way. Say, okay.
Spiritual father malam ne ade no.
Okay.
I'm presuming it that way.
Yo.
Now, me pesa oka no kuma to ne yem in the sense that no matter the situation, we are all bound to make mistakes in some way.
Yeah.
And to say oba time no a mistake bi. Me kire oba na maame a mistake bi. That doesn't mean he should also bound it up and make another mistake. Etosubio me nim sofo ko a okokodi se adwuma no. But me fam Bema
enka who made the first mistake? On one pregnancy.
Me yidiaba. Me yidiaba.
And the first mistake is coming from both of them. Though you fan tobacco so.
You fan tobacco so.
Yes.
Me nim dia sofo no nso ko a okokoye saade no. Se eje ni ho a eja na wo ba. In the law of clergy of the pastoral sacraments. Bema ni ho a yenye abofra hu bibi. I just said there is reason beyond doubt.
But sometimes obitimi jiremu ema bema.
Maybe unless there is reason. Edumre bia itimi aya. Bema no echiri eni ho. To say for example, nipa no eba to say away game omogbe. Na bia okwa abrochiri no wakwakowo. Na abrochiri ho na say yi bani pria. Bema no busu ni bia eni ho. We hu de ade ebi a wentimi anko anase wenya obi se on present wo ho enti eno no communication to me ko hu yehunu say oh the man has given a consent and so we can do it in the absence of the man and we etimi basa and yetimi nso won pepen so bi nso a
obi abejire mama wo
we say
Messi be ni ho
me say ebi a no oni ho ebi so wenya obi so onjire mo where it happens ye esi but eno sa no it has to be proven. Enye so obi kan ya keke say be mani ni ha na wo sori aye ebio abrante esesa wote ase say me nim one tribes but Ghana ha oba wo for oba fo wonne na nyam na sa wonye ne ho ade a be ma wogua emre chichiro
a big issue
a big issue
yeah
our samokrand dan chan a
yeah bo big time
seriously
big time
enti asana ye kana wo peja wo koma no brafam
makache no
yes from the beginning wo ka asem bi share
was say was say lady no mami mo na was ni bufu na bufu for na was on bufu na wo de bufu no say o man twa mo amma na be ma no be ye say
you see,
this are the petty
you should have owned, gone forward there and owned and taken tradition on. Ebio, Mama Zimbi, and Sembi Owa, I see a penbuka.
It's important.
Share Ebano, enkwesi se amamra kwaso. Ube pie nim. Akona amamra kwaso wakotie nim se ma ye ade wei enti ebusua sei na amamra wo ho no ba ye no amamra kwaso ye consider sa bana ye wo ba
oh yes 100%
amamra kwaso ye consider sa ye wo ba
yeah
enti de omo ye no se minim one try me say sisu be minim one try ba se ye hwe amamra mu pa adumre bia ho anka ye hwe a oba de busua de omo ye no in a way they are right. If you haven't owned up. But so we own it up. Nasa akoba na sadia. Omono, they have made a mistake, but me per se, omon ka omo come into omo yem. Nasa dia catch their one. They can easily sit down and easily formulate a situation. Say, ne bia omo per se omo ye bibi, ne bibi shechire, enti no mama namba honey ade. They should calm down. Meanings into them.
Well, the thing is, you mean nuanom, me ma, me cousin, me nieces. You see. And satia way enyepe ebi ewachen bi ebi susuchen bi ebi adwuma pa na ba ebi so onye adwuma bi kra eno anso sensense se ho enti hwese bema ahye obi baba nyinsen na emre na so na yesi for 100 Ghana cedis bra wenti mi afa ma oba na onya na wahi ono yi won adwuma mu ana enti me pamuche wo ye nimpa say there are a lot of in relationship mo sure Odo Ahomaso because when you a lot of education film once you're in that relationship take intimacy out of it and then the little money that you are having you are working for no, try and save some. Stop dressing. You think you are dressing to impress that your boyfriend for him to come and marry you. It's a big joke. Somebody somewhere is dressing more decent and she's more than you. And you know, money says, we should try and save some. And money, memory, because so far as I only panafa, won't protect him. You are doing everything wrong. You should know, said there will be pregnancy. And he never ever says, when she got pregnant at that time, things were difficult. There was so nothing.
You see, imagine so much so much and na omo etna se eto omobo eware ya anka wuji ni sa hwan na betimi abafa oba akwakotu no di emra woni ho
me pacho reverend pamucho
who would have done that
pacho de bi o onka se yato badin o
no
no there are two different things
you
adoring you naming ceremony there are two different things altogether.
Oh, but one, it's a waste of money. Naming ceremony.
No, I'm using another point, not the buyer.
Yes.
Or see, you need pay, yan 12 of any thing. You know, ye abofrani pay, no, and only how.
Na me ba ye be ya abofrani kwa pia. See, we don't need even a business for people.
No. That's all. Baby. Because the last comment, no. Mami nyanti asiye say.
So onware no.
That is it.
Na gidi no onware den. The next year bibi so. Or person de ogine bibi so, no dey bibi. Because the normal sense no, it can outdooring there. You can say that you challenge be asa. Say buy no koka say omakoto akola ni din. But me ni ho. Ina akola no ya tu ni din because eja na to obadin. But akola ni ento abofra ni din. E ye say bo 1 week aso, e de abofra ni epie abekire wi say, oh, nyame adom akola na ye na kora ahyede mu a ono a wenfiri mu abeka atiasefo ho nti ye ne kire ewia ye ne kire se ni ye na ye yi no epie ye yi ni pia ene de 20 years kora e twitoli badin but ye nto ne badin dia badin dia eyeja na to badin yo
it remember ni you say ye de akora na pie say ye de akora na pie nti
I inform no
information they had it
tradition
information he was informed but information that he was informed but the fact of the matter is or can't say or per se ojano no but you are just looking for an opportunity to capitalize on it no aka say aware no mejai because say bio me nka owo kan na kokko say seno kan say wo hwemu tribals who were Christian and we Muslim. That's not what I'm talking of. But the fact of the matter is, Bemananga say, "Ebu anani dokra eyefi obayanim because sene ezika no wabua no edubebi we do baby
asem ya na ye
no adeshima mamoni mame nya
into on take on reach
global firm and my drota sie yen wawo miensa enan unya feelings unu kun da wanted there who said it use a global firm a cotton pet or the vessels na dia shawa say and no other na won say near my can see Emma na come in fact Emma who look young sie near my other nyina Emma o ye more younger sweeter and very tasty. Global firm. Ubanya every pharmacy ewa Accra, every pharmacy wo Kumasi, every pharmacy wo Koforidua, and every pharmacy ewo Sunyani. Baby ubanya global firm. You be to go get it and you never regret. makes you a real woman. Glyphosate, yedase ankasa. Anajo black mosquito coil. Anajo insecticide spray. Fly away flies killers. Mesinema mi say a boy who by say. Would your cotton call ni be Fesia Bontain, Sonnehe, intimacy and quantum da 12 solid hours a maya. And saye, a boko, a makata, a mautin ya, a kuntuntum ye, papa, ma ne canon so I is a perfume, papa be, and my bed da ada say na ho, inside spray. Every insect, corner beer, or yatin in pampa pen or Janet de bar, and a black mosquito coil, yet Tomo chrome habe beer, more wonderful big vansa, a walk chrome, I con crassy, baby beer, ubenye be at all. Yet I almost say so much and sene, near me the Odo Ahomaso abremo. Atishima, Upapa, Akuma, Mama Zimbi. Mama Zimbi Foundation at Mr. So, and no, and a ekna 4, and we see. A man member nyinara all ye crafo almost share see a big umbrella. Amphibia a conference. Wait dear. Atoso the 9th conference. June 17th. Our Trade Fair Center Pavilion B. A free. A lot of education will go on. Come and see widows doing their businesses, sharing their success story, and empowering other widows. Their children also empowering other children. Please come. Men for unsan show them refemo. Your supporters almost supporting you, but we also need your support. We need your donation. We need your love. Oh my goodness. Enti for me back home. Ye hear wo mono. Ye hear wo biscuits no. Ye hear wo drinks no. Ye hear wo ntuma no. Ye hear wo bibia. Anyone pie boy nyina ye hia.
Oba benya no ma fofofo nso ato.
Kunafo no
dey. Kunafo
big key holder. Ye liquid soap. Ye toni ma bebre asanka. E de fam e fomo niama menkeni bayire banche kontomire kwusosoa dawa kobi agbelima gari you just name it beats papa bi bibia nyame adom ekwafo ne ye adwuma ankasa ene fantifo mo bom de mo fanti dokra ba o ma sa che wo mo enami e de asoso wo mo fi e friend say akomu fie ho no eba wo mo de yakayaka eba abolo iba
body banche
e de na wo hia
interesting
ema penifo so mo experience other widows so mo fa experience mu wo mo nyina eba beboa enti ma me nkoso mfa seda Emma one tenka odo I may be a mugu support here. You can also be part of it. It's my mefa as I can see Emma Unibank. Na mefa ma Indomie instant noodles 4. Na mefa ma ever pure purified water 4. Minata and daughters porridge. Yet must say last hour catering services. Yet must say TT Brothers, yet they must say, Asedu Royal and Waste Management, yet they must say, Modo so the do, Joy Daddy, the Joy Ointment, no ebetaye any joy so betaye GTP and Tuma Papa B. Oh my God. Eba you prefer water, she said, Modo so, Yankopon Shambo, Calipo, Blue Skies fruit drinks. One more banner mu fruity no enye easy Big Shop Classics tronable cake no perfect hands and health services be great screening at the amaye Danny's Deco the #1 decorator Bomba Engineering etwa so obi biara your media partners here multimedia Adom FM, Love FM, baby ewomu and a CJ multimedia almost so much kahon and our website solutions other folk kahon why ye hear mo nyina enye enough more adwuma no son can you say widowhood is not a curse but it's ordained by God ekuna ye wo hoi enye duabo na ekuna ye wo hoi Nyankopon e da hyehye mempenifo amoda ekuafo kuo na no nyina medamaseo moye ema ne ye fedodo Nyankopon hyira mo osofo bi agye si omoni so e na omoye ema ne ye fe omoye ema ne ye fedodo leaders bi nso ye ema ne ye fe mechia mo nyinara e da mase hwiri nsi ebe ye hyira se on the 17th die ye nyina ye be hia e wo trade fair Pavilion B, 17th of June. While later, 8 a.m. now, we'll do breakfast. Now you test it. I mean, your health check here, the amount.
Yes, now we'll screening of 7.
I must start screening of 7.
Me and program no. It's burning them.
All right, and in fact, the calls that came in, informative, then I say education, so and you know,
gifty,
you
know. I don't see somewhere cause of and I'm no na trimpana. Now so mempana da menenanyam.
Yeah, within a minute so
enti yeah na dan enti am I confused on the mempano na on bu na mepel na me pacho ni na ya nada
da
na da ewura se wetumi anya kokudro se weja ho akofo bi fofura wonsu nya kokudro
ne ja no
na ko wenem
me da say
menhira.
Yeah, gifty. Yeah, anything else you can of say. So only or pen kanka one coffee.
One pen or that and mani who say me man mo tricks na bi no. Mr. Nim can say me man mo tricks na bi no. Mo se san na ensotra.
Oh, never the cool say. O ka say me man ye tricks. E man bi so tricks pa o.
Can we dey jama no can we dey. Me say can we dey mo na.
That's all your band.
Maybe tricks be ya.
Money your tricks.
Maybe open.
Money be your tricks. Man can say what money be your tricks. Because somebody be won pa. Bo say be me pa, won say be me e born ho ka no.
Yes.
It's not on pen no. Na oped the other guy no. Say na no wakokonyim. No dey aba be share. Nia enye no e dia no. Ofi kwa me ho no. No we do kodwo ho no. Una kan was me kensu kran so no yambo ye ho ban. Na e de bi fro akwakoba. Iti yen say it na obi kan say emema na aba na so ma na ye wo ho no. Mesre say obi endi ni line mu na asumdwe emfa asumdwe embra. But me bra na wa na adwin say oba no obeja ne de. Mesre ne say
oh but you panic show so go one there be the power is his to investigate with the parents and go back or say I'm out of that relationship. But before you step out of that relationship, make sure say the baby, is it yours or not? Yes, we jane hwako na e show sabe pacho wo. Sa ne mani etwam.
Yeah, something.
Who yes sure said the baby is yours, sir. DNA is there. That is why you need to be prepared, mature, do the right things, and everything will be smooth for you. What's the saying and say? We check. We shabafrano. Shabafrano chance be we dey connect with DNA test na we. Ansana. That's all. No wakum. In fact, minim se mutie, dodo na etie. Omo muntie no esua. Enso omo sam ne ba na e bobo. Na agm re na wo say it me di education and so man we love it. We love it because nyame adom Odo Ahomaso radio and television. Every single day Beko program we have new family joining us. It's mobile expellents out there. We don't get bothered, we don't get tired. We rather get a lot of energy from you and from everybody. To God be the glory. We are so grateful. Tomorrow the same time, same place, 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. Akuma, Mama Zimbi, and wonderful resource person, we will just be here. Reverend Kondia, we are grateful to you. Mr. Enim, we are so grateful to you. My cameraman, sound man, set designer, light man, OMCR, and you, the viewers, we love you more. Producer, director, Prince Aninga J, to God be the glory. We love you more. We love you more. We love you more. Medad?